Do you know many people are having trouble with printing in color on the HP Officejet 4500? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open document. First, open the document or application from which you wish to print. Step 2. Access print settings. Navigate to the File menu, then select Print to access print settings. Step 3. Adjust print options. Click on Setup, Properties, or Preferences to adjust print options. Step 4. Select Color tab. Go to the Color tab within the Print Settings menu. Step 5. Deselect Grayscale. Ensure Print in Grayscale is unchecked to print in color. Now you should be able to print in vibrant color using your HP Officejet 4500. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other HP users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.